Whoa, look at this, guys. Wow, there are so many animals here. Wow, wow, wow. This is a big animal. Nice. Wow, let's collect it. Ooh, this is the first one. Wow, what is this, guys? This is a beetle. Black beetle. Cool. Wow, the second one is a cow. Nice cow. White color. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. What is this? Woohoo. This is a sheep. Nice. Oh, wow. This is the green color. Whoa, grasshopper. Nice one. Wow, look at this. This is so big animal. Wow. This is a buffalo. Woohoo! Black buffalo is here. Woohoo! Nice, nice, nice. Woo! Let's collect it, guys. Wow! What is this? Woo! This is a tiger. Wow! Nice tiger. Cool. Ooh, wow! We have a dinosaur here. Whoa! Brown color. Ooh, this is so angry dinosaur. Wow! Wow, look at this. Woohoo, this is an octopus. The yellow one. Cool, man. Oh, wow, look at this. T-Rex. We have a T-Rex here. Wow, blue color of T-Rex. Nice. Wow, wow, wow. This is the last one. Ooh, this is a Pterosaurus. Whoa, we have a pterodactyl here. Wow, so cool.